remember, anti-hypertensive. Yun. Pag sinabi niyong anti-hypertensive, lahat na sinasabi niyo sa akin is anti-hypertensive. Ano ang action nila? Anong goal nila? Magkakaiba ang action nila, pero the same ang goal. What is their goal? Anong goal ng anti-hypertensive? What is the goal? To top the board exam. Hindi. Hindi yan. The goal is to lower the BP. Huwag kalimutan ha. The goal is to lower the BP. And lower the BP. Kahit anong gamot yan. Basta kaya niya i-lower ang BP. They are classified as anti-hypertensive. Again, any drug that can lower your BP, they are classified as anti-hypertensive. Any drug that can lower your heart rate, ito iba na to, heart rate. Any drug that can lower your heart rate, they are classified as what? Anti-arrhythmia. Magkaiba sila. Anti-hypertensive will lower your BP. Anti-arrhythmia will lower your heart rate. Yan. So dito, they will lower your BP. Anti-hypertensive. Lahat ng tinype nyo kanina tama. Pero have you noticed the way ako mag-discuss? Tingnan nyo, the way ako mag-discuss. It should be organized. The way you should study, dapat organized din. Because mas madali siya ma-remember if you organize everything. So, i-organize natin yung mga sagot nyo. Tama yun. Ang problema, hindi natin siya nare-remember lahat. Okay. Ako mauna. A. Ano next ng letter A? B. Ano next ng letter B? C. O, ganun lang kadali ang anti-hypertensive. The A, B, C, D, V. Huwag niyo kalimutan ha. O, kaya pala ma-memorize lahat. So, let's start with letter A. Letter A is your ACE inhibitors. Oh, yun ang first. ACE inhibitors. Pero may isa pang letter A. ARBs. Congratulations, nandito kayo at pumasok kayo sa class ni Sir Dan. Bakit? Ipapromise ko sa inyo na magiging madali ang pharma at maiintindihan nyo siya. Marami akong strategy dito na mas madali nyo maintindihan ang pharma. Hindi ko siya ituturo para yung traditional way na babasahin sa inyo, naka-PowerPoint, ang hirap tandaan. Ito madali. Kaya nga, makinig talaga kayo sa class ni Sir Dan. Letter A, your ACE inhibitors and the ARBs. Letter B, these are our beta blockers. Yung mga sinabi nyo kanina, tama lahat yun. Kulang lang siya sa pag-organize. Beta blockers. Beta blockers are also known as what? Beta antagonists. Dalawa ang pangalan niya. Pwede siyang tawaging beta blockers at pwede siyang tawaging beta antagonists. Yan. O, nasa letter B na tayo. Next letter, C. O, alam nyo to. Sinasabi nyo kanina. Calcium channel blockers. Calcium channel blockers. Yan. Letter D. Diuretics. Letter D, diuretics. And the last letter, V, vasodilators. Vasodilators. Yan. These are the different anti-hypertensive meds The A, B, C, D, V. Yan. Oh. Walang reason na hindi nyo siya ma-memorize. Kasi alphabet lang yan, oh. A, B, C, D, V. What is their common side effect? Pareho sila ng goal to decrease the BP. But what is their common side effect? Orthostatic hypotension. Oh, how would you know na na-develop na ang orthostatic hypotension? Anong manifestation nito? The patient becomes dizzy. Nahihilo yung patient at the same time, nagkakaroon sila ng nausea and vomiting. Dizzy ang patient plus nausea and vomiting. Ayan. Oh, kuha na natin. So, ayan guys. Antihypertensive, pangpababa ng BP, ABCDV, side effect, orthostatic hypotension. Ayun. So, alam na natin na pwede magka-orthostatic hypotension. Oh, question. Before giving antihypertensive meds, anong i-check? Go. Before giving antihypertensive meds, very good. Diba? Umiilaw na. Makikita nyo na kaagad na ang clue natin is orthostatic hypotension. Alam natin na babagsak ang BP. Bawal yan ibigay without checking the BP. Yun. I-check na dapat ang BP. Yay! Bakit? Pwede babagsak ang BP, magkaroon siya ng hypotension. What is the position of the patient pagbigyan ng antihypertensive? Naka-supine or elevate? Go siya, naka-elevate. BP plus elevate. Next, instruct the patient to move suddenly or gradually. Instruct the patient to move suddenly or gradually. Once nakainom na sila. Tama po. Ang sagot yan, nursing consideration. We have to instruct the patient to move gradually. Bakit? Are they prone to dizziness? Yes or no? Yes. It's all related to orthostatic hypotension. Once ma-dizzy yan, are they prone to injury? Yes or no? They are now prone to injury. So what is your priority? Tingnan nyo to. Ang dali-dali pala, oh. Connected lahat. Connect yan, oh. BP, elevate, gradually, or else magkaroon ng dizziness. Pag nahilo yan, pwede siya matumba. So they are prone to injury. Pwede siya ma-accident. They are prone to injury. So what is your priority when giving the drug? Go, go, go. What's the priority? Yes, ang galing. The priority is safety. The priority is safety. Paano siya gamitin sa board exam, sir? Yung sinabi niyo priority is safety. Number one, are they allowed to operate heavy machineries? No. Are they allowed to drive after drinking the meds? No. Are they allowed to stand up and go to the bathroom after drinking the meds? No. Kasi pwede sila ma-injured. So, ang priority, safety. Once na-stabilize na ang BP, pwede na nila gawin yun. Pero hanggang kakainom pa lang lamang yan ng gamot, huwag muna. Kasi pwede siyang mahilo. And the last one, they need to avoid. May i-avoid sila, guys. Ano? Smoking. Bawal po manigarilyo while naka-antihypertensive meds. And drinking. Bawal ang